Hi lovelies, welcome back to Udo's Kitchen. Do you know you can enjoy delicious fresh noodles right at the comfort of your home with easy noodles machine cutter? This is one of the simplest noodles cutter machine that anyone can operate. Very simple and efficient as you can make your fresh delicious noodles in just few minutes. And now let's make some delicious noodles. For this recipe, I'll be using 2.5 cups of flour, 2 eggs, and 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add up everything and mix together with a spatula. Mix together properly so that they can be well combined. If you want to learn how to make sesame oil, please check the description box for the video link. And after mixing all the ingredients together and they are well combined, I'll remove the spatula from it. And next I will go in with just little water. Add some of the water to it. Then mix together with my hands. I'll mix until it forms a dough. You don't need to add much water to it so that the dough doesn't become too soft. Otherwise, it might be difficult for the noodles cutter machine to cut it out beautifully. So just allow the dough to be a little bit hard to get that perfect noodles. And after mixing together and it forms a dough, knead for another 3 minutes to get that perfect consistency needed for making pasta. And after kneading the dough for about 3 minutes, and we've gotten our desired consistency, cover and allow to rest for about 15 minutes. This helps our noodles to come out very smooth and perfect. And after 15 minutes, I'll bring back the dough, then transfer to a flat surface. And now I'll cut the dough into 3 equal parts. This is to enable us work with the dough perfectly. And after cutting the dough into 3 equal parts, I'll set them aside. And here we have our noodles cutter machine. This noodle cutter machine is very easy and simple to operate. And this is the cup where I will fill in the dough. This is to tighten the cutter. And here we have the cutters. So from here you can choose any of your preferred shape. So you just fix it and cut into any of your desired shape. So I'll be rolling the dough. Then transfer it into the noodles cutter's cup. Next, cover with your preferred choice of shape. And then tighten it up. Once this is done, just fix it to the machine. You can see how simple it is. And now we are set to cut our noodles. So I'll just go ahead and press the control button. And now you do not have to do anything. Just hold it straight. And this is it. Fresh noodles ready in few seconds. This is super easy as you do not need to exert any strength in making fresh noodles at home. Once the noodles are out and the machine stops working, cut out the noodles with a dough cutter like this. And then repeat the same process for the remaining dough. And look at, this all came out very beautiful and perfect. Fresh noodles without preservative made right in my kitchen. And after cutting out all the noodles, transfer into a collective bowl. And now that we have our noodles nicely cut out, next we proceed to cook them. Bring your water to a boil, add some salt to it, then transfer the noodle into it. Do not stir immediately. Allow to cook for about 30 seconds so that it can firm up. And after 30 seconds, open and stir to loosen it up so they do not stick together. And after stirring them and they look like this, cover and allow to cook for another 1 minute. And after cooking for a minute, turn off the heat. Then you have your own fresh noodles ready. Strain the water from it immediately so they don't stick together. And this is it. Your own fresh noodles ready in just 3 minutes. You can enjoy this with any sauce of your choice. But wait, let's make some delicious recipe with our noodles. Start by adding some vegetable oil to a pan. Allow it to heat up. Then add to it some chopped onions. Allow to fry for 30 seconds. And after frying the onions for about 30 seconds, add some green beans to it. Stir together and allow to fry for a minute. And next, I'll be adding the other vegetables to it. So add to it the chopped tomatoes. Then stir together. And next, I went in with some chopped red and green scotch bonnet pepper, some chopped carrot, and also some vegetable. Then stir together. This I also allow to fry for about 30 seconds because I don't want my vegetable to be too soft. And next, I spice the vegetable up. I started by adding some thyme to it, curry, and seasoning cube. And then some salt. Then stir together and allow to fry for about 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, it's time to add our protein. So I'll be adding some beef to it, then stir together. These are also allowed to simmer for about 30 seconds. And now that the vegetable sauce is ready, we go in with the noodles. Then mix everything together properly to be well combined. And after mixing the vegetables and the noodles together and they are well combined, I also went in with some shredded carrots. This is to give the noodles that astonishing beauty. Then I carefully mix the noodles with the carrots together. Can you see this? This looks so beautiful and it also tastes very delicious. And now that you have learned how to make noodles at home with simple machine, noodles without preservative, please let me know in the comments if you'll be trying out these delicious fresh noodles. Or do you still prefer store-bought noodles to fresh noodles? Please kindly share your thoughts in the comment section. And here we have our delicious fresh noodles ready, made with the simplest noodles machine. With this machine, you can enjoy noodles any time of the day. Please, if you find this very helpful, don't forget to like and share this with your loved ones. If you have watched to this point, I want to say thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to Udu's Kitchen for more great recipes like this. And to my wonderful and amazing family out there, I want to say I appreciate you so much. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless.